Welcome back. Today I'm revealing 7 beginner-friendly ways to make money, even while you sleep. No fancy degree or big investment needed, just real, actionable steps. I'll break down each method, show you exactly how to start, and share the shortcuts I wish I'd known. Stick around for the final tip. It's a game changer almost nobody talks about. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's build your passive income empire. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, affiliate marketing. Just recommend products you love. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, get your unique link and share it. When someone buys, you earn a commission, no product creation or shipping. Pick a niche you love. Coffee, fitness, tech, anything. Create content. Blog, TikTok, or Instagram with honest reviews. Add your affiliate link in your bio or posts. One great post can earn you for years. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. Start today. Your first passive dollar could be just around the corner. Let's move to the next idea. Next, selling digital products. Create it once, sell it forever. Digital planners, templates, guides, or photo presets, anything you can make on a computer. No design skills? Use free tools like Canva. Customize, download, and you've got a product. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or Sellfy. Just upload and set a price. Even one viral post can mean thousands in sales. Digital products are pure profit and totally scalable. Ready for your next passive income stream? Let's go. Let's talk about dividend investing. Getting paid just for owning stocks. Buy shares in companies like Coca-Cola or Apple, and they pay you a portion of profits. Dividends. You can start with just a few dollars using apps like Robinhood or Fidelity. Look for dividend aristocrats, companies with a long history of paying dividends. Turn on DRIP, so your dividends automatically buy more shares. Over time, your income grows as your holdings grow. It's truly passive. Set it up once, and watch your money work for you. Even a few dollars invested today can grow into real income. Next, let's see how you can own real estate without being a millionaire. Want real estate income without a huge down payment? Enter REITs, real estate investment trusts. Buy shares in REITs through your brokerage app, just like stocks. You become a part owner of massive properties, apartments, malls, offices. REITs pay out most of their income as dividends, so you collect rent without being a landlord. No tenants, no repairs, just passive income. Try individual REITs or a REIT ETF for instant diversification. Start with as little as the price of one share. It's the easiest way to get into real estate. No millions required. Next up, making money on YouTube, even if you never show your face. YouTube is a passive income powerhouse, even if you're camera shy. Faceless channels, using stock footage, animations, or slideshows, get millions of views. Pick a niche you love, research, write a script, and record a simple voiceover. Use free stock footage and video editors to create your video. Upload consistently, and once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn ad revenue. Your videos keep earning for years, 24/7. You don't need fancy gear, just valuable or entertaining content. Start small, stay consistent, and let YouTube's algorithm work for you. One video can pay you forever. Ready to become a published author in a weekend? Here's how. Ever wanted to write a book? Self-publishing on Amazon makes it easy. Write a short, helpful guide. Solve a problem for a specific audience. Outline your main points, write a few hundred words for each, and you've got a book. Use Canva for a professional cover. Upload to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. No cost, no gatekeepers. Set your price, hit publish, and your book is for sale worldwide. Every sale earns you royalties. Amazon handles everything. Write once, sell forever. Even a simple guide can become a steady income stream. Now let's turn your skills into passive income. If you're a freelancer or have a skill, design, writing, editing, turn it into a product. Instead of trading time for money, create templates, guides, or courses based on your expertise. Sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. You help hundreds, not just one client. Use your portfolio and social media to promote your products. This is how you scale your income and escape the time for money trap. Leverage what you already know. Package it, sell it, and earn passively. You're not just a freelancer, you're a business owner now. Let's wrap up with your next steps. You've got the blueprint. Now it's time to act. Don't just watch. Pick one idea and start today. Set up your Canva account, research an affiliate product, or open a brokerage app. Just take the first step. Momentum builds with action. Comment below which passive income stream you're starting. I want to cheer you on. Your journey starts now. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Go build your passive income empire.